Not tiny, tiny, but maybe only like a 1 pounder. Yep, hairy chatter. Oh, maybe it's bigger than I thought. It's not coming up.
Oh, he's way over there.
Yeah, I know. Jeez. Dang, buddy. How the heck did he get over there?
Nice.
Is it?
It looks like get the wind slash.
Dude, I think it's gonna cut my line.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know. He went right under the canoe, so it's kind of hard to. Yeah, I gotta. Okay, got it. Hey, he's not even that big. Nah, he's like a 2 pounder. I'll take a 2 pounder though. Yeah, he's like a 2.5.
oh, that's a
Yeah, it's actually a decent one. He didn't feel very big, man, at first.
That's a nice one.
And then once he started fighting, I was like, dang.
Get a picture of that.
Oh yeah, I gotta get a picture of my
Oh, yeah.
my
Great. That is
with my chatterbait too. Custom made chatterbaits.
black and yellow.
Yeah, actually this one's like a green pumpkinish. Olive. Yeah, custom chatterbait. Thanks, bud. Oh, I got hit. I got hit.
Oh, you got bit. Oh, yeah.
Right on the boulders. Yeah. Came back for it. Came back for it. The bite was super subtle, dude. I just felt weight. You know, I mean, the first bite, I felt the tap, and then second bite was just weight. So they're a little slow. They're kind of slow. If we have to ruin it to get it, we can go get it. What is it? Oh, dang. Okay. We can get it. That's no problem. He's a football, dude. Bro, look at that belly, dude. Holy cow. Dude, that belly is crazy. Holy cow, man. It's like a Mille Lacs fish. Mini Mille Lacs fish right there. Wow, look at that belly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, oh my goodness. And then get that is a fatty. Holy cow. Let it go. Nice. What was that on?
My line through.
Yes. Line through. Awesome. I know. It's been a bit, man. Yeah, line through. Nice. Classic fish profile. Yeah. Got one. Nice. There you go. Out there. Okay. Shot. Usually there's a dinker there. Easy release. Yeah. Jerkbait! Nice! Yeah, let's go. Nice. All right. Jerkbait fish. Heck yeah, dude.
Oh, I thought I'm on the fin.
Oh.
Oh no.
Top. Hooked him at the top. Yeah, because they might be closer to the bottom. Oh, we got hit again! Got it! Oh, yeah, got it this time! This time I'm not letting it go. Double hook set on that. Oh, that's a decent one, dude. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Is he gonna fit in that net? Okay. Dude, that's a big one. That is a big one. Let's go. Gosh, I had to work so hard for that, bro. It was my last cast. I said it was gonna be my last cast. Jeez, dude. And they're not grouped up either.
Yeah.
Well, he is, looks like he's about close to 3.5, no, 3.25. Yep. He's a 3-pounder. Take him. Dude, I double hook set. I freaking double hook set on that one. I was like, dude, I'm so tired of losing them. Thanks, buddy. Nice. What's up? They're not holding it. Oh, let's go, Si.
Yeah, he kicked it and then it let go. And then
Oh, dude, here.
Oh my goodness, that's a huge one.
Here, I'll just use my one.
It did not feel like a huge.
Yeah, you didn't make it sound like it was at first.
Yeah.
You said that it was just like a tick.
It did not.
Let's go, dude. Is that the micro jig?
Yeah.
Nice. The micro jig, dude. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Nice. Yup. That's awesome. Yeah, you're like saying like it's not that big. You're like, oh, I got one. I was like, what? He didn't sound excited about it. When he jumped though, I was like, oh, that's a big splash. Yeah, that's a big splash. He's a 3. He's got to be a 3. He might be close to 4, yeah. At least a 3 though. Okay. How light is your line on that thing?
15
Like-
or 10.
Oh, okay. Fine with it then. He is, yeah, he's trying to run. He's trying to get away. Man. Looks so good and looks so beautiful in the water. Yeah, dude, that might be a 4-pounder, dude. Because he's fat, unlike mine. Mine was skinny. That one's actually fat.
Wow, this is at least 4.
Woo! I know, that's crazy to think that he. Yep.
It fit.
Woohoo! 4'6", dude. 4 pounds 6 ounces. That is a solid fish. That is solid.
Oh, nice one. Thank
Nice.
you so much.
That's what we came here for. Came here for those guys, man.
Thank you.
On the micro jig.
Bait fuel stick.
Yeah. Oh, I got that too. If you want that. Yeah. Because I put that on my glide baits. You got another one? Yeah. Let's go.
Feels like a jig.
And until it jumps. Okay, that one's a deep reel. That one's a deep reel this time.
That's how I felt like the first time.
I know.
And I was like, yeah.
Until it came up, bro.
Little pounder.
Nice. Let's go, dude. Dink. Yeah. Nice. If you stay here all day, we probably could. Yeah.
Exposed hook, so it's easy.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. I know. It is jerkbait season though. This is the time to throw it, man.
That's so natural, the color.
Yep, it's super natural. Yep. Looks just like a little minnow that they eat. These are so dangerous.
I know, super sharp. But
Yep, they're super sharp, but they bend super easily. But you know, that's That's the trade-off, you know.
8-foot Corrado.
Yep.
Corrado.
Dude,
Hey,
there you go. First fish on that that jerkbait.
I fished it for so long. Back in like 2007.
Leave it to the river, man. Leave it to the river. Me and Tule, we always complain about that. Ah! Let's go, dude. Oh, a big one? Oh, that's another big one, dude. That's another big one. Shoot, dude. Love it, man. The one your lure from the army days. That's crazy. That's another solid fish, dude. Yep.
Yeah, I think they like that hard hit.
Yep, hard slashes. Yep. Nice.
That's a 3.
Yeah, it's probably a 3. I can get them for you, unless you just make it a little easier. There you go. Nice. He might be like, I'm gonna say like 214. 214, 212. Oh yeah, he does. Pretty light. 212. 212. Not bad. Yeah, close to 3. All right, buddy. Off you go. You still got energy, man.
Yeah.
Line throughs. Oh, no, another good one, dude, bro. Dude. The lure that he had no confidence in. That's funny, bro.
Yeah, I'm slashing it pretty hard.
Dude, that's another good one. 2.5, yep. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That looks like a 3.
It does. Yep, 3-2, dude. 3-1, 3-2. Yeah.
Dude, slashing pretty hard.
3-2, yep. Nice. Oh, he's bleeding. Gotta let him go. Gotta let him go. He's bleeding.
Alright, buddy.
Alright. Growing up, this was my confidence lure.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I can't tie anything off.
That's what I hear from a lot of people.
Just a hunk of metal.
It is. Yep. That's what I hear a lot. But I'm just like, dude, it just works, bro.
I believe it now.
Because this brand, they used to, they sourced it to a local bait shop in Chicago.
Oh.
And so I used to go to. Dinker. Thank you, buddy. Cool.
And be different from everybody?
It would be different, yep.
Yeah. Everybody's going to YouTube.
Yep.
Right?
Ooh! Dude! That was cool, dude! I actually blew up on it. That was cool, bro. Yeah! Let's go! Karashi fish.
Yeah, I've been looking hard to hunt.
Yeah, have you? They're so good, dude. half a foot of water, dude. Half a foot of water, man. That's insane. Yeah, I saw it. Jeez, dude. Wow. Thanks, bud. Yeah. Oh, I saw that. Let's go. Karashi, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I saw that blow up, bro. That's a big one, dude. Dude, that's a big one, bro. That's a big one. That's crazy. That thing's fat, dude. Bro. The Karashi, man. He took you all the way downstream. Nice. Dude, we gotta put that one on the scale, dude. We gotta put that one on the scale, bro. Dude, that's a high 3, low 4 right there. Dude, I'm telling you, it's crazy how shallow they get, bro. Woo.
After throwing wide, watching it throw across, I said, man, I don't know if anything's in there. Let's just throw it across. And I saw it come up.
Here, get a picture of you too, dude.
It was
Dude, that's awesome, bro.
so much. Thank you.
Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah.
The day turned out pretty good, dude.
It did. Like I said, the first half has been bad. The second half has always had potential. Dude! Karashi is on fire! Dude! That's crazy. Whoa, that's a big one, dude! Dude, that's a big one! Dude! That's a giant! That had a huge head, bro! Dude, that's a big one, bro! Shoot, that's a big one! Ooh. Keep them pinned. Dude, that's a big one!
That is so cool.
That is a big one, bro. Dude. Yeah.
This guy
Dude.
feels heavy. That is so
Oh
nuts.
my goodness, dude.
That is so
That's
nuts.
crazy. That's gotta be a 4,
That's
dude.
at least 4.
Wow,
That's so
dude.
Yep,
Wow,
314. It's all good.
Yeah.
Keep another one.
Dude. Another 314. Yeah, dude.
That is so nuts.
Oh, that's insane, bro.
Thank you so much. I like the place they recycle stuff.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Yep. Oh, dude. Little dink. We'll still take a dink.
I got a box of karashi.
Oh no, I got karashis too. I'm just trying to force a glide bait bite.
I know.
Just because I know, like, you know, this is like we're pretty much coming down to the wire, so I'm trying to get as much glide bait fish as possible. Yeah.
It feels deeper.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is deeper here. Yep. Yeah, oddly enough, we don't catch a lot of fish in this deep area. Ooh, you had a hit, right as I said it. Oh. Let's go. He's only a 2-pounder. I'll still take him though. Yeah. Dude. I'm going to. Hold on.
I hit twice and it hit yours.
Crazy. Ooh. I know, I saw. Dude, this little chunker went after the glide bait. That's funny, man. That 1.5 pounder. Let's go. Straight retrieve karashi. Dude, I told you I used to catch them dead sticking karashi, right? Oh, that's hilarious. Finally got him after like three missed attempts, bro. That's freaking funny. Retrieve karashi, dude. That's hilarious. That's awesome. Oh, it's a decent one too. Yeah, that's a decent one, bro. Oh, wow, fighting, bro, fighting you. Yep, it's gonna get shallow real quick. Yeah, 1.5 pounds, maybe close to 2. Probably really close to 2. That karashi is so fire. Yeah, he looked big from afar, man. 3.8, dude.
You've been catching a lot of 3-pounders.
You've been, bro. That karashi is on fire.
I know, y'all. Alright, buddy.
Nothing over there. I didn't see anything chasing.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at that.
Pretty fish. Got him. Looks like a 3. It looks like a 3. No, not even 3. Maybe only a 2. No, it's probably a 3. Yep. But I will take them. Oh, there he goes. Easy release. Yeah, he's like a 2-pounder. There he is, dude. Straight retrieve, bro. Oh my goodness, that's so funny, man. That's so good. Heck yeah, man. It's always the perfect profile. Nice. Yep, got him. Yeah, dinker. Thanks, buddy. right, double up. Double up. Nice. Oh, let's go right away. Right away, dude. Yeah. Those fish must be moving back and forth. Yeah, chunker. So fun. So fun. Jerkbait. Yep, that's Zumverno. Whoa. Thanks, bud. Yeah, another dink. Yeah. There you go. Just took a bit.
It was gonna be my last catch.
Heck yeah. Nice. Yeah, this will probably still be my last. I'll probably switch to I'll probably switch to Crocs after this. Nice. Dude, I love the old Fenwick stuff, man. Nice. That's a solid fish. Oh, already? Dude, jerkbait. Jerkbait, dude.
I was like, what?
Nice. 1 pounder. Nice. Good fish, good fish.
Did I get that tree over there?
Oh. This one's smaller than the other one. Oh, that's a decent one. Let's go. So there are some decent ones here. Yeah, could you get us to the tree, or do you want me to? Yeah, if not, I can help you.
I got the tree. We're good. Pull out of the rock.
Dang. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a lot of rocks here. A lot of rocks here. Okay. All good. Thanks, buddy. That guy was chunky. I'm actually pushing this out again. Trying to fish this. Oh, got one. Yeah. All right. Come on, free yourself. Free yourself. It's a sleeper crawl. You should be able to free himself. Nope.
They're hugging the bottom.
They are. Yep, looks like it. No, we got blown into the grass. It's all good. I just won't turn the motor on yet.
Just let it drag.
Yep.
Oh, it works.
It does work. let it drag and just let it rub on the bottom. Yeah. Thanks, bud. Oh, yeah. Under the tree. Oh, jeez. I know, I see. If I lose this guy, it's okay. He's only like a 2. No, he might be a 3-pounder. I think it's only a 2-pounder though. Yeah. All right. Thank you, buddy. Whew. Oh, my bad, bro. Dude, he inhaled it. It's all the way down his throat. Wow. Ooh, thanks, bud. Whew. Huh? Ooh, there you go. Nice. Yeah, there should be a lot of dinks over here. Sometimes you get the occasional 2 to 3 pounder. Nice. Yeah, heck yeah. Yep. They're hitting on this side.
Oh, you got one.
Yep. Just a decent one too. What the heck? What's this guy doing here, man? He's like a 2.5, 2.5. Yeah. Yep. Not that big, just a good fighter. 2-pounder, not even 2.5. Low 2. But I will take him. Yeah, sleeper crawl. Thanks, bud. I'll do a backflip. Okay. Got him. Already, dude. First cast. Yep. Yeah. Dude, it's a big one too. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Whoa. So solid, dude. Right, wave my guy. 3.7. Not bad. There you go. Nice. What was that on? Nice. Oh yeah, you catch those guys on swim bait all day. Little guy. Oh, there's another one. There's another one, dude. Right behind it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, dude, that was tight, dude, bro, that was tight. Let's go, man. Whoa. Oh, my guy's bleeding, dude. Dude, that was crazy, dude. Oh, shoot. Dude, that was cool, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh man, it's a good thing I saw him, bro.
I know.
Oh man, that was cool, dude. My guy's bleeding.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Dude, that was really cool, though.
That was nuts. Got it?
Yep, go ahead. Oh, close. 311, but he does call one of our 37.
That's crazy.
Dude,
That's crazy.
that was awesome, dude. He went and he hammered your lure too, man.
Yeah.
He went up and just chomped it, bro. He chomped the heck out of it. That was awesome.
You catching it in there?
Uh-huh. Yep. I throw it right in. Oh, right in there, dude. Right in there. Whoa, this feels like a good one. He's not coming up. Nope. He's not coming up, dude.
That looks like
Oh no! Oh, he's still on. Okay, I thought he came off. Whew.
giant.
Dude, holy cow, man. I thought he came off for a moment. He's not a giant, he's only like a 2, I think. Like a 2.5 maybe? He's a football, dude. He's only like a 2.5, but he's a football.
That one looks like
What a chubby fish. Jeez. Oh no! Whoa. Oh, dude, this is a huge one! That's huge! Dude, that's a huge fish, dude! Holy crap!
come on, make a buddy next to you.
Dude! He's all the way over there, dude. Dude, he's my biggest of the day for sure. Oh my goodness, look how far he's taking me. Holy crap. That's crazy, dude. Oh,
that's a
my gosh, dude.
That's a 4.
That's huge. Ooh. Dude, that's a football, dude. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Whoa. That's definitely a 4 because it's so fat.
That's like
Ooh, he might push 5 because he's so wide. Ooh. Whoa. Dude, 5, he's my new PB. 5.2. Well, he kind of ties my PB. Dude. Yo! Alright, now I need a picture for sure. Oh, let me lock, hold on. No, he is my new PB, 5'2". Dude, that's insane, bro. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Little guy, but I'll take him. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Thanks, bud. Yeah, it's weird. Like this thing's a square bill, but it dredges the bottom like crazy. Oh, let's go, dude. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll take it. Woo. Nice.
New York is huge.
I know, dude.
I can't believe
Those are the ones that the guys catch in the winter on suckers, man. Yeah. Lose it, I lose it. Oh yeah! Let's go. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Nice.
Taylor's Falls or fishing.
Uh-huh.
We're supposed to go next Friday.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not sure the option.
Oh, okay.
Catch unlimited
Ooh.
fish or Taylor's
Oh,
Falls.
that's a decent one. He's fighting. Fighting. He's actually fighting. Or go fishing at Taylor Falls. No, I'm just messing.
I haven't fished this, so I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know it either. Yeah. But I mean, you could, because I mean, like, you know, interstate takes, it's quick, you know, you're in and out of interstate.
Oh.
The state park there, or the park,
Oh.
where the, like, the potholes and stuff are at.
Oh.
Like, you could walk through that in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then just fish afterwards. But I haven't fished Taylor Falls either, so I don't know anything about it either. Yeah. But people say that they know spots there, so.
Yeah. My coworker, they fish crappie off a cliff.
Oh, off a cliff.
Yeah, and they be like breaking the crappies up.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was like, well, you catch you like 13, 14.
Yeah.
And then it just took off.
Dude, that's crazy.
He was just shaking his head. This has got to be at least 10-pound catfish.
Yeah.
At least a
7 to 12 maybe.
Maybe.
That's crazy. That's what the guy wanted.
Still so strong.
That's crazy, dude. Oh, yeah. We see it. We see it.
Channel.
Yep. Big channel.
That's what he was looking for.
Yeah, that's what the guy was looking for.
And he took it.
It's probably what what the jetty was looking for too.
He took it in.
Nah, yeah, 5, maybe 5, just, yeah, 5, 6.
I'll take it.
Heck yeah, dude. Now that's one for the road. On his little swim jigs with his light line spinning setup. Dude, that's probably like 6 pounds. That is fat. That's awesome, man.
Thanks, buddy.